Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share Amazon Video Prime account with your family. Let's begin. So, say you've already successfully signed up for your Amazon Prime Video account, and you are already logged into the main page. All you need to do is just click the upper right portion of the screen, and then choose on Account and Settings. From there, you need to go to your Prime membership. You click on Edit on Amazon. Once you click on this one, there may be cases that you will be asked to log in again, put in your passwords and all, and it would lead you to another page. So this is how it looks like. And then if you would actually hover your mouse to your account, you would be able to see other pages or other benefits and features that you have on your account once after you've successfully signed in. So in this case, let's go to memberships and subscriptions. And then it would actually lead you to this page. So then you would go to Prime membership settings. And then once you're there, go to membership, click on update, cancel, and more. And then you would see here, share your benefits. You click on manage your household. So once you click on that, you will be led to another page. And this is where you could share your Amazon Prime Video to your family members. So if you want to add adult, add a teen, and add a child, because they can pretty much filter the movies and other videos or series that's only appropriate for your child's age. So there, and if you need further assistance, you could definitely go to their help, and then just type how to share your Amazon Prime benefits, and then they will give you like the step-by-step instruction right here. So there, I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.